So we're beginning to look at Seasons of Love, and we're exploring just the intro iconic lick to this song. Let me show you. Now, the easier version would just be like an F, a C in that second position, a B flat where we strum twice, and then an F. Let's try that. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. One more time. 2, 3, 4. Now we'll take it a little bit farther if you want. When we play that first F, I'm going to hit that C note. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again. Whoops. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So,